Now, if you come over here and type 2000 hamster tokens, all right, 2000 hamster tokens, all right, 2000 hamster tokens will actually give you $234, all right, and this is based on the present hamster price right now, which is going for 0.117, right here, 0.117412 US dollars. All right, and right now this is actually Coindex I'm actually using for this calculation. This is Coindex I'm using for this calculation. This is doing this calculation based on the present market price. All right, now many of you, the hamster has the listing date is not actually in use anymore, right? And as of yesterday, the tokens were actually allocated to every players, right? As of yesterday, you actually see your reward and how many tokens you actually got. And many of you actually know, many players are actually complaining that the token is too small, the distribution is too small based on the present pre-market price on Bybit and Binance. All right, now I'm not actually here to show you prices and conversions, but I'm actually here to actually show you the possibility you can actually make this amount and more than this amount based on your present hamster status, right? And based on the reward, the token you actually got on your Hamster Kombat, all right? And also the price prediction, what we should be expecting during the listing, all right? So right here, if I should actually say 5,000, all right, 5,000 hamster token, 5,000 hamster token. All right, so 5,000 hamster token we go for $587 at the present market price, which is $0.1. All right, I'm also going to show you the pre-market price and every other thing. So subscribe to this channel, like this video, leave in the comment section how many hamster tokens you actually got, and if you actually didn't get any hamster token, because some of us actually some players actually got the cheating stuff and they were not actually giving any token. If you actually got that, let me know in the comment section and let me make a video on that and how to correct that and every other thing, how to actually go about that. All right, so if you also come over to this app right here, let's cross check this using coin checkup. All right, this coin checkup right here. Now if you come over to coin checkup, you can see that let's load up. Now hamster is actually going for $0.117 based on the market price. Now if you should actually follow for us to actually understand or actually know on the listing price, we need to actually understand the highest low and the lowest low. All right, the highest high and the lowest low, all right, in the pre-market price. Now Hamster Kombat, all right, the highest low was actually, the highest high was actually $0.8, all right, and the highest low right now is $0.1 in the pre-market price. So due to the pre-market price right here, you can see the price prediction 1 month from now 0.3, 3 months from now 0.4, 6 months, and other things like that. All right, and many of us are actually saying maybe some actually exchanges are saying that Hamster will actually can actually list at $1. Some are saying 0.3, some are saying 0.1, some are saying 0.01 or something like that. But I'm actually going to show you all that right here, all right, and what you should be expecting from the in-game activity you are playing for about 5 months from now. All right, so what you should actually be expecting. Okay, so if let's actually go over to the present Bybit and check the pre-market price on Bybit. All right, now I'm actually on my Bybit. All right, and let's click on right here, and right here you can see pre-market trading. So let's click on pre-market trading right here. Okay, and in pre-market right here you can see this is actually Hamster Kombat right here. All right, and it's actually minus 4.90% right here, and the present Hamster Kombat price, the average is actually $0.97. All right, so let's click on Hamster right here in progress. All right, you can see the market value. All right, the pre-market value right here of Hamster is in an average of $0.1. all right, $0.1. So with an average pre-market price of $0.1, we should be expecting that the listing price should range from, for me, all right, this is actually my prediction and based on my analysis and other things, research. All right, the Hamster token should actually range from the listing price should range from 0.05 to 0.1 0.3, all right, $0.3 from $0.05 to $0.3, all right, based on the pre-market price. The highest low I told you 0.8, and the lowest low right now, which is the highest high, which is 0.8, and the lowest low, which is actually 0.1 right now, all right. So this is actually pre-market price right now in Bybit, which is going for $0.1. All right. Now let me come over to my Telegram. All right, my Hamster Kombat, and actually show you something. Right, you need to actually do. All right. Now, if you come over to Hamster Kombat, this is actually now the interlude season where you can actually earn these diamonds and every other thing like that. You know, they are actually done with season 1. I think they have season 2 based on what they actually said. Right now, once you actually log into Hamster Kombat right here, you want to click on where you say Airdrop. All right, once you click on Airdrop, you are going to see just 4 days from now before the listing, which is September 26th. All right. You can see this actually the Hamster token allocated to me that was given to me right here. $1,927. Sorry, 1,927 Hamster token. All right, and this token right here, this is actually the total token, and it's actually based on certain parameters like your passive income, your enters, friends, that is the invitee, people you actually invite, achievements and keys. All right, I think the passive income is the highest right here, followed by the keys, then the enters, achievements, then friends. I think I have only one friend right here, and one friend is I think $4.6 because it's actually one friend I have in those accounts. All right. Now, if you click on withdrawal, you can see that you can actually claim your token from off chain, which is actually CX and DX exchanges. All right, like Bybit, Binance, OKX, and EBI exchange. All right, and direct claim through on chain, which is your Web3 Web3 wallet like Tonkeeper, Telegram app, and other things like that. All right, but right now the off-chain deposit is actually now closed. All right, so before you to actually withdraw, you need to actually what is called, you need to actually connect your wallet. All right, your Tonkeeper wallet or your Telegram wallet, because the off-chain right now is actually closed. It was closed on the 21st, which is yesterday. All right, now you need to actually connect your account. That is actually that part is actually noted. Now so many players are actually complaining that the Hamster token given to them, allocated to them, was actually very few, was very small, based on the present pre-market price. All right, now so many of you actually got 900, some people got 62, some people got 50. All these tokens were actually given individually based on your in-game activities, your passive income. Like this account right here that I got 1,927, my passive income was actually about 6 million profit per hour. All right, and the entire I actually got everything checked up. Achievement actually got almost about 80% of the achievement. The keys actually have about 127 keys, and they gave me 347 tokens right here. So this is actually how it is. All right, so let's actually do some calculation, right, based on my own 1,927 tokens given to me right here. All right, and I have I think about 2 accounts. All right, my other account, they gave me, I think, 600 and something tokens, or about something like that. All right, so let's say 1,927, all right, times, if it should actually go for 0.5, because I told you that the listing price should range from 0.05 to $0.3. All right, so if it should go for 0.05 right now, 0.05, then that means 1,927 Hamster token will give you $96.35. All right, so if it should go for, let's say, $0.3, that should actually give you a whopping $578 right here. And if I should multiply that by the present dollar to naira market price, 1,600, this will actually give you about 924,000 naira. All right, so that is actually how it is right here. Right now you can actually calculate what you should be expecting, all right, based on your present hamster status, based on the rewards given to you, and based on the price prediction actually give you, the listing price prediction actually give right here, 0.05 what you can calculate right now, you can multiply how many based on how many hamster. If they give you 200, you can just say 200 times 0.05, what he gave you, all right, and 200 times $0.3, right? So you should actually expect seeing in average what you should be actually expecting when the coin is finally listed, right? So many people are actually hoping on getting around $1,000 or something like that, and so many exchanges are actually saying that the hamster token will actually list at let's say is it the Hamster token will list at $1. Some people are saying $1. Some people are saying $0.1. Some people are saying 0.5. Some are saying 0.01 and so that. But this is actually the price prediction right now based on the highest low in the pre-market price and the highest low and the highest high. All right. So that is actually it, guys. That is actually it. And some of you actually got the what is it called, the cheetah stuff right here, the cheetah stuff. Let me actually show you that, the hamster cheating stuff, and many, like some of my guys right here actually got that, and some of you are actually wondering why you actually got that, why you actually got the cheating stuff and other things, and many of those guys didn't actually get the token. All right, the allocation that was done yesterday was not given to them, but I will make a video on that, right? What actually led to that, the things and things you actually did that actually led to that, and also what you can actually do, all right, the remedy, all right, because in Notecoin something like that happened, and they actually pardon some of those guys and actually pay them later on, all right. So I'm going to make a video on that after this video, on things you need to do if you actually got the cheating stuff, why you actually got that, things you need to fix, to actually maybe gets some drop later on. All right, so that is actually the end of this video right here. If you got any value, please like this video, all right, subscribe to this channel, which is most important, and also leave in the comment section how many hamster token you actually got. All right, and if you actually got the cheating stuff, leave that in the comment section so that I'll make the video available as soon as possible. All right, so love you guys. Go out there, keep winning, guys, and see you in the next video, guys. Peace out.